Hello everyone, welcome to Good Earnings. When it comes to today's market, it opened with gap up with 15,832 and closed with 15,360. We can see a great fall today with 2.11% down. Why market has fallen here? You want to look here. As I discussed in last video, as I said, there is one important news we want to focus on that is Fed update. How much they are going to increase the interest rates. At the midnight, yesterday midnight, they have announced that they're going to increase 75 basis points interest rate. That is very high. The recent times they never had done that much increasing interest rates. That is the big news. With that, market has fallen here. That is the important news. We focus yesterday, I said you right. With that, we have seen the fall here. And how we want to look from here, the market, how it is going to be. We'll see what experts are thinking here. When you see this post, Sensex has lost nearly 8% in the past 10 sessions, and investors have incurred a loss of rupees 20 lakhs crores during this period. This is a big fall. The recent times in Nifty in share market, and said Thursday fall was the fifth, means today is the fifth consecutive decline for the market and 9 such instances in the last 10 sessions. Okay, we are in a bear situation. The market is going to the bear, and what is now what we want to do and how we want to react from here, whether to sell the stocks or whether to buy the stocks, how we want to react from here. See, what he said is that as investors should be prudent. If your equity exposure is very high, offload profitable stocks, and if it is too low, time is right to buy equity shares. What he said is that if you are an expert, already you have exposure to share market. He said that to offload profitable stocks means put your profit on a good profitable stocks. He said, and he said if you are a new investor, you can right time to buy in a stock market. Okay, from my side, what I am expecting. Okay, who is that? Said from Deepak Jansani of HDFC Securities, and who declined answer. Who declined an answer? How much downfall he expects? Okay, what I'm expecting is that market is in good good valuation. Okay, I will discuss a little bit after this post. When come down. Here. Currently, Nifty is trading at 5 to earnings, that is PE of 19.1 times, which is lower range of the last 5 years average. Along with this, Nifty Midcap 100 is trading at price to earning 20.8 times, which is lower range for last 5 years. Now the market is in very good range. Actually, it is very reasonable and low prices. We can get our stocks at very good level. Okay, we can. I am thinking is that when you invest here at this point, market might go down a little bit. Okay, we can't expect a big fall. I don't expect a big fall from here. If it goes from here, it might fall around 14,500 mark. That is a great fall. It is what he expected also is the same thing. Okay, and if you invest from here and for a long term, if you keep for 2 years, definitely you can generate a good profits from here at this point of time. But you should be in patience at the time, up to that time, and market might fall further also. So that don't invest the whole bulk amount at the time only. Invest with SIP like weekly or monthly, little bit amounts, adding some stocks in your portfolio. Likewise, you can avoid a big falls, right? So that we can average that stocks. After that, if you look after 2 years, you can generate a good amount. Okay, good profits in your portfolio. And you said we believe that market is in a consolidation zone due to global as well as domestic issues, but all the near negatives have been priced in the market at the point of the time. Valuations are attractive at the long-term investors, said Yash Gupta. It is a good news that seen from experts. Market is now at good level, at good valuations to invest for long-term investors. That is but don't go to panic. The present situation is that in US inflation is rising. It is in almost 40 years high inflation, and experts are expecting that there might be a recession. Okay, if the recession comes, so many might lose jobs. You know that. Okay, that is a concern we have. With the previously expecting, the market is getting into the falling. Okay, as I discussed in previous videos also, we have an events, the Fed meeting and CPI data. All the events has completed for this month. So I'm not expecting a big fall from here in this month. Okay, from here the market might go up a little bit, not more, little bit might go, and I can't predict particularly, but I expect the market don't fall from more from here. Okay, as they are expecting the market goes maximum 14,500 in a worst case, not in this month. The overall when we see in this year. Okay, when that's it from here. The update to how the market is from here. And coming to one share, I want to discuss with you. ITC share gave a faint pop on Motilal Oswal upgrade. Okay, we'll see what is the update here. The domestic research and broking firm has targeted rupees 335 rupees per share, an upside of 27% from here. Okay, why they have updated is that we want to see, according to Motilal Oswal, better than expected demand recovery, healthy margin outlook on cigarettes, sales movement in the FMCG business, lower drag from the hotels business, and better capital allocation in recent times have led to the upgrade. Okay, they have upgraded the stock, the recent targets from neutral to buy level, and they have given a target of 335 rupees per share, and they're expecting a good returns from the cigarette business. Recent time they are performing well on cigarettes and FMCG sector as well, and you can see lower drag from the hotel business. Hotels are not performing well recent times, so they are expecting from this, and they said these situations here you can see good defensive bet at this time. Okay, in the ongoing volatile interest rate environment, you can see a volatile situations going right. At this situation, they said that it is a safest bet stock. As per me, when you go to the ITC stock, coming to ITC, all of might heard this company name. They are in FMCG segment. You can see Ashirwad and few products they are having FMCG. There's a lot of EP noodles you might be using. All this okay. They are leading in cigarettes, and their main business is cigarettes, and they're having Indian hotels and tapper boards and tapper and packaging and agri business. They're having ITC Infotech IT industry as well. They're not mentioned here. They have multiple businesses they are having. As for me, it is a good business. They are having low debt. Debt to equity is very less. They have good reserves as well. Good ROC and ROE. Price to also like PE also 21.1. It is reasonable. But when I see from starting from the max from previous years, you can't see a big rise in the market price here, share price. When you go from last 10 years or as well, if you see 10 years past, we will go here, it is around 170, 180. When in 2015 also, it is like around 250 around the mark. Now you can see it is in the same price range. The price is not increasing much here in this share, but at this situation, if you invest in ITC, you won't lose much. You won't get a much loss, but you won't get a much profits also. Loss or profits, you will get a decent amount. I expect for 1 year you might get a 10%, might be 10 to 20% also sometimes. But it is a safest share at the situation. But you can't expect a lot of money from this. Decent amount you might get. It might touch definitely at 300 for sure. In 1 year, you can expect a 300 mark here. As per me graph, you can touch a 300 mark. That's it. That's it about the share. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can give more updates. Thank you very much.